first it is appetizer soup like a welcome bread, and second it is a main course like a steak. You can try chicken steak or beef steak, and also pasta, and also meatball, and also nasi goreng. And last it is a dessert like waffle, ice cream, pudding, and also cake.
Okay, sorry, I just tried to send it again. And then, tell me, what is your job responsible as waiter?
My job responsible as waiter is taking order, serving food and beverage to the guests, and make sure guests have good experience.
Okay, why? You make sure the guests have a good experience. Why is that?
Because in order to they are come back to our restaurant.
So that is your goal or the mission of your restaurant.
Yes, of course.
Okay, that's good.